ChatGPT versus Grok. Which one of these AI tools can recreate Roblox's 99 Nights in the Forest better? Alrighty, we are going to be starting with good old ChatGPT. I even have a timer set up because we're going to try and do this in 1 hour. So I give it a prompt. Look at this. ChatGPT is thinking. So I downloaded this PDF file, which basically contains all the information for this. And this is actually documented really well. Like, it actually looks pretty nice. So I am currently looking at this. First of all, the comments are messing up this entire thing. This is just not working at all. Are some of these lines, like, do you see this? This is an empty on-server event. It's an empty function. There's nothing in here. Oh, this looks so bad. Let's see what ChatGPT has whipped up. We now have 42 minutes left, and oh, first of all, we have a bunch of trees around the map that are not textured. This is a very beautiful looking knife, by the way. I don't even know if this knife is actually functional. We have a pistol that doesn't seem to really show us anything, and there are so many errors inside this output, so I'm probably gonna have to go back and fix this. Yo, ChatGPT told me to put these things inside of replicated storage, not inside of this folder, and the script is looking inside of replicated storage. Are you serious right now?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Okay, so I just fixed the errors, and now let's see what is going on here. Okay, it says we are on night 1 and there are 0 enemies. I don't know what this enemies counter is supposed to be, and we have a GUI down here that is half visible. This knife still does not work. This pistol also does not do anything either. Okay, we'll add 5 systems: campfire system, tree chopping, hunger, sprint, and animals. Okay. Okay, so I just told ChatGPT to add some more features. I have no idea what I'm going to expect with this, but let's see what this looks like now. Oh, it looks like we have more errors inside the output. That is not looking good at all. Give me an animal, please. These are not animals. Gubby? Yes, I will insert Gubby. I'm sorry, Gubby, I have to do this, but like, as part of this game, I have to kill you so I can survive. So it looks like it's using something. Yo, what is it, Gubby? What is ChatGPT cooking up? I'm so confused right now. Why are the gubbies flying? Why are the gubbies flying, bro? What is happening? This makes no sense. Like, if you're up there, how am I supposed to kill you for me? Axe, kill him. Kill him. It's not killing. ChatGPT, what's wrong with you? It's the axis doesn't work. When I use the pistol and click on it, it shows a shop. So I can buy a knife and I can buy a pistol, but I already have both of these things and I can't get rid of this UI screen. What is that? Night 2 has descended. Defend the... I think I'm trying to defend the camp now. It looks like the event is working. It reached night 2. Is this where the deer monster is going to come out? I have no idea. Well, what am I protecting myself against? I think that's the real question here. This is looking so good right now. Okay, so it says next steps. I can add campfire cooking, fleeing, crafting UI, hunger and stamina bars. Let's just add all of them, please. Oh my gosh, I hate this stupid comments thing, bro. It's so annoying. Okay, I integrated some new stuff. Let's see if... Okay, the first thing I see is a bug. That is amazing. Stupid comments. Stupid comments. I hate this. I hate this so much, bro. Is this working? Let's see. Can I chop down the trees? No, I cannot chop down the trees. Nothing works. I have a knife, doesn't do anything. I have a pistol, doesn't do anything either. This campfire is it's not camping, and those gubbies are still floating away, not doing anything. So it looks like I have about 13 minutes left. So I'm gonna see if I can try to make whatever I can with the time that I have left to make it more functional. Okay, well, first of all, I want to see if I can actually kill, or like what happens if one of these gubbies actually die. So I'm just gonna yoink. I'm sorry, Gubby. I'm sorry, but your time has to come to an end. Bro, stop going up. Health 0. Oh my goodness, that Can I pick up any of oh, I got raw meat. Yo, look at this. I got raw meat. Can I put it back in here? Well, it looks like this is not doing anything. So I want to see if I can bring one of these gubbies back down here. I like how the dead body part of this gubby is still floating up. That's hilarious. Yoink. I'm gonna take you. All right, you're like my little lab rat experiment, okay? Let me kill you slowly. Oh my gosh, get this shop UI out of my way. Oh, I just built a campfire. That's really interesting. I can just keep buying campfires and spawn them into the map. That's so interesting. Night 2 has come, but I still cannot do anything with these campfires because I cannot chop down these trees. I don't really know what else I can do at this point. Let's just ask AI to to make some more changes. Okay, so I have about 11 minutes left, so I'm just going to throw whatever AI slop ChatGPT throws. Look at that. I did some critical thinking here because ChatGPT is too stupid to think for itself. Whoa, these trees look different. Can I actually cut them? I still... Oh my goodness, it actually worked. Oh my goodness. Bro, cutting the tree actually worked. Okay, well, it looks like I cannot put it inside the fire. It's not working still, but I have like 5 minutes left. What could I possibly do right now? The sprinting is not working. Why is it not working? I don't understand. Let's see if we can quickly fix this up. We have like 4 minutes. Let's see if we can fix this up. Ah, this is so much that's happening right now. The sprinting still doesn't seem to work. Oh, wait, the sprinting does work. Yo, it actually does work. Okay, gubbies. Give me your meat. Gubbies, give me your meat. I cannot eat this, bro. All right, it is time. 1 hour has passed. Let's see what ChatGPT has cooked up. Okay, so we're inside the game. It says, survive the night, build campfires, hunt, and eat to stay alive. Now, first thing you might notice is these gubbies, or these animals, are just floating up in the air. All of them are just wanting to go to heaven because they would rather die peacefully by going up in the air than having to be slaughtered by my knife that doesn't look like a knife, and I do not think it even works either. And we have a pistol here that doesn't even work. We have an axe, which actually does work, so I'm going to show you here. With these randomly generated trees, I'm just going to swing my totally good-looking axe here, and look at that. Look, the tree actually spawned in some wood. So now I'm just going to pick these up by clicking on them, and now we have some totally realistic-looking wood. Okay, so let's go back to the campfire, and I'm about to throw some wood inside, except it doesn't work at all. It literally does not work. Anyways, we have some other things here like this hunger bar that's slowly going down. We have a shift to sprint system that seems to work perfectly fine. And we also have this button here called build campfire. So if I click on this, it says click on the ground to build campfire, and that just creates another campfire literally for free. So I can just spam all these campfires. I'm pretty sure this is not how it works in the actual game, but whatever. I'll just leave it as that. So it is now time to move on to Grok. I have just pulled up Grok and I do not trust this at all, but we never know. Maybe Grok will make a better 99 Nights in the Forest than ChatGPT will, so let's give it a try. So I'm just going to give it the exact same prompt as we did for ChatGPT. Okay, so it looks like it understands some basic core gameplay loops. It seems to understand it pretty well. We've got some setup instructions. Okay, so it looks like I encountered a red flag for Grok, is that there's code that's literally unfinished. Oh, okay. All right, interesting. So what is this? Wood, coal, stone, food? I don't even know if coal or stone are even in the game. I mean, like, I haven't really played the game long enough to know, but this does not look right. Okay, so far with my experience, the thing about ChatGPT is at least all the code did not throw errors. Bro, there's no way AI is telling me to replace all these function calls by creating my own function every single time I copy it. Oh my goodness, this is so insane. So it looks like we have wood, coal, stone, and food. Now, I'm pretty sure, now I have not played much of 99 Nights in the Forest, but I don't think coal or stone is a thing. But it looks like we have an axe. Oh, this is a very bright looking axe, I must say. It also looks like the campfire is already lit up, even though I didn't put any wood inside the fire whatsoever. So it looks like I cannot chop down this tree. It looks like there's some errors being thrown in the output here. But one thing that's cool about this game is that it's adding little areas for you to be able to go in and then loot for some stuff, because the other game with ChatGPT didn't allow you to loot stuff. Oh, yo! Oh my goodness! The day and night cycle actually switched to nighttime. And look, why are there 2 deers? Yo, why do the deers look like that? Oh my gosh, all players eliminated, game over. Yo, okay, you know what? I take everything back. I think Grok is cooking something here. I think Grok is actually making something really good here. We have about 35 minutes left, so I'm going to continue working on this game.
A few moments later.
All right, so I am now thrown inside the game. Let's see if I can go up to a tree, whip out my axe, and see if we can actually cut this thing down. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to this tree. Let's cut it down. Is this working? It looks like it's not exactly working again. I do not know why it tends to do this. I hate you, Grok. Bonus, make axe look cool. Optional. But look at this axe. Doesn't this look cool? I'm holding the axe sideways. I don't think this is what an axe should be looking like. Update UI now. This was missing. Why is Grok yelling at me, bro? Like, why are you screaming at me when I'm the one that should be screaming at you? Because you make really terrible code. So now you'll see and hear the wood being collected. No doubt. I really do not like Grok's enthusiasm. I really do not like it. Let's fix this one problem that I've been stuck on for a while. Is this working now? Okay, it's chopping it. It's chopping it, but is it removing? I don't think it is. Oh my gosh, it's not chopping. And it looks like I'm getting some errors in the output. Why are 2 deers spawned inside the game? And why do they die as soon as they join? So I have 24 minutes. Let's see how much I can get done. So I have a knife. This is my knife, apparently. It just looks like one big... I don't even know how to describe it. It just looks like one big rod. Oh, is that the wolf? Oh yeah. All right, I'm about to hunt this wolf down. I need food. Come here. Oh, look, there's another one. Why do they look like that? They're literally just boxes. That's so funny. I'm trying to kill them, but it's not working. Why is it not working? Its health is already 0, bro. It doesn't even work. Oh, and the nighttime has approached. Oh my gosh. Yo, these wolves are attacking me. Oh my goodness, they're actually attacking me, bro. What? Okay, hold on. Let's fix this. And how much time do we have? 18 minutes. Okay, so I still want to add like all the features that this game has to offer. Give me your meat. Yes. Oh my goodness. Can I eat these? I can't tell if I'm eating them. Like, do I just touch them and I gain hunger? I don't know. It's hard to tell, but it looks like, oh my goodness, it finally works. Okay, but it does look like the shift to sprint is working, but the actual sprint bar isn't really depleting whatsoever. Oh my gosh, is that the deer? Is that the deer that's chasing me? Oh my gosh, that is the deer. Oh my gosh, it's not letting me leave the game. It's so slow. I think my studio actually crashed. These AI tools can make coding hard to learn, and problem solving is a crucial skill needed for successful Roblox developers. So I've been using a service called Brilliant, the sponsor of today's video. Brilliant is a platform with thousands of interactive lessons in subjects like computer science, math, data analytics, and AI. The way you learn from Brilliant is very effective with their approach. Each lesson is filled with hands-on problem solving that lets you play with the concepts and develop your critical thinking skills. Some of the content I think you'll love are their new interactive programming courses like Programming with Functions, which teaches you how to write clean, reusable code that will make debugging and scaling much easier for you in any development project you work on. Go ahead and try Brilliant for free by visiting brilliant.org/BrawlDev, scanning the on-screen QR code, or clicking the first link in the description. And if you like it, you can get a 20% off annual premium subscription, which gives you unlimited daily access to everything on Brilliant. Thanks to Brilliant for sponsoring this video. I have less than a minute left. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Grok, I hate you. Let's see what Grok whipped up. Okay, so when you join to the game, you are met with the campfire that is already lit up, and we have some stats here on the bottom left. So you got wood, coal, stone, and food. Now, first thing you might want to check is, can you actually cut down trees? So you go up to this tree, let's hit it, and it looks like the tree actually works. I did not expect that. Trust me, I tested this like 5 minutes ago. It was not working, so I was actually surprised that this worked. There's this very hidden button on the bottom right here where you can open it up and you can feed fire into the campfire. But there's kind of no point in doing this because the fire is already lit up. But as you can see, I'm throwing wood inside of here and it actually is taking my wood away from me. Now, another thing is there are these moving boxes that are supposed to be wolves. Don't ask me why this knife looks like this or whether this is the blade or if the blade is missing. Let's just go up to one of these wolves here. All right, you looking pretty fresh. I'm taking you. And look at that. You kill them and they actually drop these meats, I guess, and you pick them up and you accumulate food. I'm pretty sure this is not how it works in the actual game. Oh, here we go. This is the night cycle. And look, those are the deers. Aren't they beautiful? What is happening? And it's not gonna matter whether I go back to my base or not because it looks like they just broke. Oh, and it looks like they're all gone now. We're now on the next day. And there are also these houses that supposedly have loot boxes, but we can't even get inside of them. So there's actually no point in having them here. And this shift to sprint system doesn't actually get our sprint bar depleted. I don't know which ones are sprint bar, but it looks like our sprint bar doesn't get depleted. I'm pretty sure. Let me know in the comments, out of 10, how would you rate Grok in making 99 Nights in the Forest? In my personal opinion, I am going to give this one boxy wolf out of 10. I think ChatGPT definitely won this competition. And let me know which game you want these AI tools to make next. But other than that, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care.